Is there a way to create fairly long AI videos using free AI? Many people might say there is no way at all, because most AI tools today are already paid. But don't worry. In this video, I will show you a tutorial on how to create long AI videos using AI that is completely free. Disclaimer. First, the tool we are using this time may still be usable as of today, in January 2026. If in the next few months you can no longer use this method, it means the system has been changed and you will need to find another way. So, how do we use this AI, and which AI are we going to learn about? Let's go straight to the video tutorial, but please support me by liking, commenting, and subscribing so that I can stay motivated to create more interesting content for all of you. Here is the video tutorial. The website we are going to open this time is called Gemini Enterprise or Gemini Business, and this site actually provides free access for first-time users who use this AI. This is basically Gemini, but not the regular Gemini. This is Gemini Business. You just need to search for Gemini Enterprise in your search engine, and the initial page will look like this. At the beginning, we need to enter our email, friends. After entering the email, we click Continue with Email. After that, we will be taken to a page like this, and as you can read, we can use this website for free for 30 days or 1 month. Here, we enter our name, then check the box, and directly agree to enter the AI site. Now we are taken to a page like this, and in my opinion, the interface is quite simple, almost the same as regular Gemini, but more complex with many more menus available. As you can read, here we get a 31-day trial to use Gemini Business. There are several tools we can use here. For example, we can use more advanced Google search, generate videos, generate images, and perform deep research. We can also access other tools and connect them here. If we click here, we can connect several applications that are already compatible with Gemini Business. If we look at the sidebar, there are several menus such as New Chat, Search, Starred, Library, Agents, and many others. Now we are going to try creating a video here, friends. We will try to generate a video. If you want to make a long video, for example, we will try creating a fairly long video using AI. I have already prepared a prompt to create the video. Here, I will try generating the prompt using ChatGPT, and usually the result can be 10 to 20 scenes in a single video. And of course, this requires AI that can generate many video scenes. For example, here I already have 10 prompts. And of course, if you use the regular Gemini Pro, you can usually only create 3 videos per day. But here, we will try to generate 10 videos. We copy the code here, friends, then go back and paste it directly. One drawback of Gemini Business is that you cannot choose the aspect ratio, because it follows the standard Gemini ratio of 16:9. Once that's done, we just send it and we wait for the result at the bottom. Okay. After several attempts, I finally managed to create several videos in Gemini Business, friends. As a disclaimer, sometimes the available quota depends on how many people are currently trying to use Gemini Business. If there are not many users, you can create many videos in Gemini Business. So what if the quota is limited because many people are using it at the same time? You can use a second method to get more quota to use VEO 3 in Gemini Business. The second method is by inviting team members. You just click on the sidebar and look for the option that says Invite Team Members. Click it, and you'll be taken to a new page. As you can see, we can invite up to 14 members using 14 different email addresses. The method is quite simple. Just click Invite Members, enter the email addresses of the people you want to invite, then click Continue. After that, click Send Invitation, and the invitation will be sent to your team members. On the invited email, you just open the incoming email and click Accept. Then you select Continue with Email, fill in the details like before, and now you've successfully become a new member under the First Emails workspace. Of course, you also receive quota to create VEO 3 videos. There is another method you can use if you don't have multiple emails. You can use temporary emails, because currently this system still allows registration using temporary emails. However, I will not provide a tutorial for that, because it would violate YouTube guidelines for video uploads, so that's all I can share. You can try it right now while it's still available. And as a disclaimer, just like I said earlier, if someday you try this method and it works very differently, it could be because the system has already been changed. That's all for our video this time. See you in my next video.